Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mossberg 590 shotgun.
Just start. We'll finish. Quick finishing pass, not too bad. And I'll probably do that.
Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself. He's safe and have fun on the range. The Mossberg Model 590 is an upgraded version of the Mossberg Model 500, and this shotgun is kind of geared more toward the law enforcement officer, military, and self-defense realm. You'll notice that it has a bayonet lug, and this is an M7 bayonet, which might seem a bit comical, but when thinking of the distances that a shotgun is utilized at, if you run out of ammo, that's pretty cheap insurance. This just has a normal bead sight. I kind of like the bead sight more than the ghost ring sight, personal preferences. These shotguns barrels, generally speaking, on the 590 have a thicker barrel profile than on the normal 500. They also have a nice heat shield here. This one being a 20-inch barrel, that means that the capacity is 8+1. The 18.5-inch barrel has a capacity of 6+1. The pump shotgun on this, or the pump on this, has dual action bars on both the left and right side. The receiver on this is made out of aluminum, which brings the weight down just a little bit. This is 7 1/4 pounds. The overall length of this shotgun is 41 inches, and the pull length on the shotgun is 14 inches. The action does feature dual extractor claws on the left and right side, and you do have an ambidextrous safety, so this is great for the lefties. When the military was testing this shotgun, it passed everything. The drop test went through a 3,000 round endurance test with not one failure. So it is a really durable shotgun, and I like them an awful lot. The shotgun's also very narrow, so it's great for putting them in a rack. You'll notice that I do have a extra ammo up here. This is from SOE, Special Operations Equipment. This is their Velcro shotgun card. It's about $15, so it's really affordable, made here in the USA. You just get a piece of backing for the Velcro to put on your shotgun, and you can get these. You slap them on there, you can take them off. You still have nothing bolted to the action like you would on the hard plastic ones. You can put these in your pocket, you can put them on your gear. When you run low, you slap another one on there, you go right back to work. So really interesting. I do love the locking bar on these shotguns being right there. You rest your middle finger on it and you can still run the action, unlike the Remington 870, where this little lock is actually in front of the trigger guard. So let's look at the pull weight on the trigger on this. I also forgot to mention that there is no threads in the muzzle, so this is just going to be a cylinder bore. That's it. You can't put any chokes in there. This is unloaded. I'm going to do a quick trigger pull test. That broke at 5 1/4. That broke at 4 3/4. And that one is 4 1/4. So yeah, trigger weight, a little up and down, but you know, it is a shotgun. So that was a quick overview of what the Mossberg Model 590 has to offer, and now let's take this out to the range and shoot it, because I just challenged John Q of Instagram to a shotgun showdown between my 590 and his Remington 870. All right, just to give you an idea how cold it is out right now, it is 28 degrees. Let's do it. So we got a little difference in barrel length on these two.
30. Go! Got both of them. Go! Nice.
Boom! on. Turn on.
Pull. Pull.
Turn on.
Pull. Pull. Red mist.
The pink mist. This would be the blaze orange mist.
Pull.
There we go.
I think I'm screwed on this round.
Pull. Pull.
Oh, got it.
Pull. Pull.
Got it. Got it.
Whew! All right, just got back. It was really cold, but it was really fun. All right, so the scores. Who won? John Q from Instagram won. He got 40 out of a possible 50, and me with the 590 got 36 out of a possible 50. Now for all the excuses. He had a 28-inch barrel, and he could use a choke. He had 8 more inches of barrel. The only thing I can really do to this one, to the barrel, is put a bayonet near it. Maybe it would have helped. Probably not. Anyhow, it was really fun. I need to work a lot harder on this tool. John also is on a league for shooting sporting clays, and I am not. All those excuses out of the way, I do need to work more with this tool to get better with it, like anything else in life. So, with that said, remember that loose is fast, brakes only slow you down, and shotguns have a wider spread. Be safe, have fun on the range, and we'll see you next time.